Hey Penticton, I'm Amanda here with a rec update. With our return to recreation, new changes have been put in place to keep staff and patrons safe. But what does that look like when visiting our fitness room? To prepare for your visit, we have 4 modifications in place to make each session in our fitness room safe and enjoyable. Modification 1, Reservation System. Before visiting our facility, all patrons will be required to book a session through our online booking system. Time slots will be available for 1 hour and 15 minutes with limited numbers of users per activity time. Before booking your spot, please make sure that your account is active and up to date. You can also email rec@penticton.ca if you have any questions or are experiencing issues with your account. Modification 2, Equipment Layout. Following provincial health guidelines, exercise equipment has been spaced out to allow for social distancing and ease of use. Visitors can access all exercise equipment during their time slot. However, access to the change rooms will be unavailable at this time. We request that you come dressed and ready to exercise. As we transition to having users back into our fitness room, we would like to remind visitors to do their part to keep our space clean and organized. Please remember to wear clean indoor shoes, refrain from dropping weights, and re-rack your weights once you finish with them. Modification 3, Cleaning Measures. The fitness room will be sanitized and cleaned 2 times a day using an electrostatic sprayer, designed to disinfect complete surface areas of an entire room in 10 minutes. In addition to this spraying tool, patrons will be required to follow fitness room protocols, such as wiping down equipment before and after use, and disposing of any garbage or cleaning wipes. Modification 4, Staff Support. Staff will be available to assist patrons with any questions or concerns while visiting the fitness room, and will be actively monitoring the space, looking for proper equipment use, the following of cleaning measures, and supporting visitors when required. These modifications that have been put in place during the return to recreation are designed with safety in mind. By following these new changes, we can all work together in creating a healthy and safe space for everyone. For more information about visiting the community center and to book your time slot, please head to penticton.ca/restartrec. We look forward to welcoming you back to the fitness room while supporting safe social fitnessing. Thanks for your cooperation, Penticton, and keep moving.